Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ-81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for
So far it's just that tornado warning.
DuPage, Will, Cade, Kettle, Kankakee and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 12:28 p.m. Central Standard Time.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Lockport, Joliet, and surrounding communities. A high wind warning remains in effect until 8 o'clock p.m.
There it goes. Poor Dusty. Poor Dusty, he got scared.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois, North Central County in northeast Illinois, extreme northwestern Lake County in northwest Indiana until 1:15 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Montrose Harbor to Forest View to Willow Springs and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Worth and Oak Lawn around 12:35 p.m. Middle Oathing and Evergreen Park around 12:40 p.m. Posen and Marionette Park around 12:45 p.m.
I don't understand why I don't get any. Oh, what the heck?
Burnham around 1 o'clock p.m. Whiting around 1:05 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Palos Heights, Hometown, Robbins, Calumet Park, Riverdale, and South Chicago. This includes the city of Chicago. Soldier Field is in the path of these storms. Everyone at Soldier Field needs to take shelter immediately and should prepare for dangerous weather conditions. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room,